Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Can-Am SPYDER ST Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 30,165 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, the front left tire at 6/30 seconds, the front right at 6/30 seconds, and installed the new rear tire. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the left heated grip is inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, a burn blemish on the seat, scratches on the saddlebag, and a blemish on the rear saddlebag. This trike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and reverse. This is a stock trike with a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.